Hey, I'm new here and I'm not sure how to work safely around machinery in motion. Can you help me out? Only specially trained adult male workers are allowed to examine any part of machinery while it's in motion. Okay, I see. What else do I need to know? The trained adult male worker must wear tight-fitting clothing, which will be supplied by the occupier. Their name must also be recorded in the register prescribed for this purpose. What about women and young workers? Can they work on the machinery while it's in motion? Women and young workers are not allowed to clean, lubricate, or adjust any part of a prime mover or transmission machinery while it's in motion. Okay, I understand. Thanks for explaining everything to me.